Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick review of the Stinger Audio monoblock amplifier. This is a 1000-watt RMS amplifier and it's a monoblock, so I'm able to hook up these two subs in parallel to this amp. And it works out perfect because these subs actually do 500-watt RMS, so that works out perfectly with this amp. So here's the backside. You could see where I put in my 4-gauge wire, and that's what I would recommend for this setup. We have a total of 4 spots for the speaker wires back there. So I just hooked up both subs to that after wiring them in parallel to get down to 1 ohm. And then back here, you should be able to see all of the different inputs and then also the equalizer or tuning setup back there as well. The amp's also really small, so I was very surprised by that for it being such a powerful amp. It's a really good size and it fits right back there under my truck seats. Perfect. Overall, this thing is super powerful. You guys could see the subs moving. They're flexing really hard. So I'm really happy I got a high quality amp this time and something that's actually able to power these two subs correctly. And I almost forgot, it does come with a volume control switch. So I've not actually mounted that anywhere yet. I'm probably gonna do something right around here, but that's really cool. So if you guys are looking for a monoblock amp, this is a really good one to look into. So anyways, that's gonna be it for my really quick closer look of the Stinger Audio amp.